Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Middle Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Kia Sorento EXL Limited Edition. Stock reference number 4110. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2003 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. We have the right hand headlight, has light sun tracks, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with some aftermarket SPEEDY 18-inch 5-spoke alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Has factory side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. Left hand rear 18-inch SPEEDY 5-spoke alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Right rear 18-inch SPEEDY alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door also has one small dent. Right power door mirror indicator type, and right front 18-inch SPEEDY 5-spoke alloy mag sold as a set. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.